Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Find My iPhone. So the first thing we want to do is go on over to Settings and open this up. And then go to the top of the page and go to where your name is. And then select your name. Now under here, you're going to see some options. You want to scroll on down and go to Find My. So if we go to Find My right here, we can go to Find My iPhone and make sure we have this turned on the top. Then we go to My Location. I have my phone's name listed in there. You can go to Use This Phone as My Location and make sure Share My Location is turned on if you want to share this location with your friends and your family. So I have JC listed under here, and he should be able to see me whenever he goes to his Find My app on his iPhone, because I will be listed down there. So if I lose my phone or anything like that, I can literally just have JC bring up his phone and he can find it for me too if I don't have access to a computer or anything as well. So once we have this turned on and set up, go back to the home screen, and there's going to be an application specifically on here called Find My. So let's find it. So it's right here. It's called Find My. Just select that. So I'm going to bring this off the screen for a second and select this. And you're going to have options on the bottom of your screen. It's going to say like people, if someone else is sharing their location with you. You have devices or items. So if you click devices, this is going to list all your different iPhones. So I'm going to zoom out here. And you're going to be able to see my location with the iPhone. So you can see where my iPhones are listed, somewhere in Illinois and Wisconsin. And if you zoom in, you can see exactly the road, the area where you live. So it makes it very easy. So you can see your friends and your family if you're sharing it right there. You got items and me. So just go to this application. You can see exactly the location. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.